It's that woman, no, no.
Whoa! I'm here. Yes, a Tom's lifestyle. Hello guys, day number 4 in this beautiful city of Nice. I'm here with Charms Lifestyle, another beautiful Jamaican lady here in Nice. She lives in Nice.
Hello.
Maya as usual. And Jimoy was in the water again and enjoying himself. I'm in the here, sit down on this stone. Show on Jimoy. Jimoy the cuckoo! Jimoy!
What?
The cuckoo! Jimoy enjoying himself. If Matthew was here, then we don't want to do that parachute something there. But no, he's not here because I can bet the view from up there, so. Okay. Ain't that wonderful? So I'm going to chill a little bit, touch the water, and then we're going to get something to eat. So I'll catch you guys throughout this video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and
Corsica ferry. The Corsica ferry there, we'll try showing up on the other vlog. And this beach is called Plage des Anglais. We try to act in English beach. But this stretch over with the plan, the beach, it named Messi. It named Promenade des Anglais. This is Jimoy. Okay, the peninsul. Il dit où ton peluche?
Là, maman, tu sais,
Oui, prends-le. You finish? Today is our final day in this beautiful city. We're leaving tomorrow. So today we just go at the beach and enjoy the water until we are ready to go back home. Come, kind of ready to follow it. Come. Now we're on our way to buy ice cream. We have ice cream to buy now. And then we go back to the water park.
Il y a le fil de là qui veut se décrocher.
Oui, oui, je sais. Look, some ice cream to buy and then we go back to the water park. Go enjoy ourselves. Jamoy find friends. You ever find somebody to play with them? We're at the park now, chilling out, and Jamoy find friends. Jamoy find friends to play with, and Maya, she's over there.
Celui qui est venu à la maison. Celui qui est venu à la maison la dernière fois. Non, c'est un caca, je l'aime plus. Tu viens de dire qu'il avait joué.
So there goes Jamoy and Maya with them new friend, the little boy in the green shirt and the little girl in the white blouse. Then come from Guadeloupe. The little boy said I'm 15, the little girl said she's 8 and a half. So Jamoy and Maya made friends on vacation and they might have a wonderful time with their new friends. You see Maya, she? Anyway guys, this is it for today's video. We are going back home today. Going back to where we're staying and then we're leaving for home tomorrow. To rejoin the family. Reunite with the family, Matthew and Alex. I can't wait. We have now come to the end of our day. Still on the seaside trying to catch the sunset. But we think we're going to leave before we even get to see the sunset. I have to borrow a phone to record now because my battery is dead. Maya, say hello. We just don't eat dinner. We just don't eat dinner, McDonald's. Because we just search for pizza out and because my phone battery dead, we couldn't find pizza out. So Jamoy and Maya, them said I'm going to swim a little bit now. It's now 20 minutes to 8. You see the sunlight, the sunset behind me. And Jamoy and Maya are going to go swim. Almost 8 o'clock in the night now, guys. The sun is shining. Jamoy, no! And Jamoy and Maya are still in the water. Not even zoom. I go a little closer. You might put on your t-shirt. My arm wet maybe. Find them bird here. And it's finally a zoo. Wow. See the size of the pigeon? They're big. Wow, isn't that cool? That makes fun there. Isn't that so cool? Anyway guys,